So a couple of weeks ago I started working on the primary structure of a small garden shed. As you can see, the shed has a horizontal beam on both sides. On the left side a straight cut was made, but then I got this creative moment and I tried to add some sort of sculpture on the right beam. It was a bit of a challenge as I had no idea whatsoever how it would turn out, but this is what I eventually came up with. The horizontal beams of the shed are made up of 175 by 65mm Douglas fir, which have been impregnated with this green color. I started by drawing the rough shape onto the wood. I tried a few different things here, but eventually went with what's supposed to look like an eagle. Unfortunately, my jigsaw blade wasn't long enough to make the cut, so in order to remove the excess wood, I had to do it the old-fashioned way, which means drilling holes around the outline and then go back in with the jigsaw from both sides. And although most of the work was done with basic chisels and files like you can see here, I also used a small Dremel bit to get inside the cavities of the feet. The green impregnation color was removed with a belt sander and some final sanding was done. And to give it some protection against the elements, a coat of brown wood stain was added with a brush. And then finally the beam was bolted on, and here you can see the final result. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you in another video.